Hello guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new, welcome. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to get into a Spider-Man experience with no computer whatsoever, nothing like that. All you need is a VR headset, two controllers, and your browser with a new tab open. So first things first, what you want to do is search up spiderman.webvr. Search it up. Click on the website, and once you're in the website, click on Spider-Man VR Experience. Hang on. Once you've clicked on that, this to teach you how to shoot webs and stuff. This is basically like the tutorial. Once you're done with that, click on VR, and voila, you're in. That's basically it for today. I'm gonna swing around like Spider-Man some. Hope you guys have an amazing day, and goodbye.